The following carpet cleaning tips and tricks work well for both home and professional cleaning. Carpets are often soiled from liquid stains, dirt on shoes, and of course pets. Whether you're an individual or you work in hotel housekeeping, cleaning carpets can be a monumental task. Routinely vacuuming and occasional deep carpet and rug cleaning can extend the life of any rug or carpet. We'll share 4 inside secrets known to hotel management and DIY carpet cleaning experts that will make this chore simpler and efficient. So, if you're looking for the best carpet cleaning tips, you've come to the right place. Now, let's take a look at the top tips for carpet cleaning and rugs. But first, if you are enjoying this video, please subscribe to the link below and smash that like button. Number 1. Vacuum regularly. Shift furniture and things left on the floor, even in hard-to-reach areas. Go more slowly over high-traffic areas, even if you are going to use a steam cleaner. Number 2. Sprinkle baking soda on the floor and let it sit for an hour, then vacuum over it. The baking soda will absorb foul odors. Number 3. To pull up stains, this tried and true carpet cleaning method really works. It's one of the best carpet cleaning methods you'll find. Mix 3 parts water and 1 part vinegar and apply it to the stain with a spray bottle. Use plenty of the mixture. Do not soak the carpet, only dampen it. Let the mixture sit for approximately 5 minutes, then use a dry rag to blot up the stain. We suggest you blot with a dry rag, even if you're using a professional carpet cleaner or steam cleaner. Number 4. Gooey goo stuck in the carpet or rug can't be removed with vinegar and water. Don't worry, we know just the trick. The best carpet cleaning method for gum and goo is ice. Grab an ice cube out of the freezer and place it on the gummy mess for a few minutes until it freezes. Next, pick away the gum or whatever goo you have and trim away the remaining threads that won't come clean. If you're performing hotel cleaning, just use the ice from the guest hotel ice bin. If you would like more ideas on how to clean carpet and rugs, or you have your own DIY carpet cleaning tips, for example, the best carpet cleaner or the best carpet cleaning method, comment below. For more tips and hospitality, go to the link that is in the description below. Study and keep up to date.